Hey guys, great to have you back. This video is going to be an unboxing. It's going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing. It's going to be the base box and then the premium box. So as I go along, I will tell you what the prices are and at the end what the entire box was worth. And when I'm done with the two boxes, I will tell you which one is my favorite. So a few facts about the base box. It's going to be $25 a month. You get at least a value of $175 and you get 5 full-size products. So that is some information on that just in case you're interested. Here's the card. You get a good look at that. And it says go all out. So the first product is going to be a name I already know and love, and it's going to be Kate Somerville, and it's the Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. And I love a good moisturizer. So there we go. So I already used a few products of hers. The only one I did not like was the goat milk moisturizer. It didn't sit well on my dry skin. So I love the little happy face she puts on her products. See the scent of it. And it's green. So that one is a whopping $70. So the next item is going to be Iconic London, and it's the Ultimate Bronzing Powder. This is gorgeous. And here's inside. And I think that looks like a really good tone too. I like that because it's not going to leave you orange, which I look for in a bronzer. I can't pull off the orange bronzers. So that one is going to be $35. And then the third product is going to be the Clean Skin Pineapple Glow Mist, and that one is $38. I'd say that as I was looking at the card. This is humongous. Pretty. I've never used any of the Clean Skin Club products. See the scent on that. It smells like pineapple. I'll let you see the mist on that. That's a gorgeous fine mist. So I look forward to trying this. See if I want to look into their brand more. And like I said, that was $38. And then we're going to Give Them Lala Beauty, the Grown Woman Palette. So I've never heard of this brand or this person. Hope it's muted colors, nothing too bright. All right, that's pretty. It's oranges and browns. So nothing too crazy. I'll go ahead and do a few swatches on here. I'm trying to get better at swatches, so this is Boss Lady. All right, so then the next one is going to be Say Yes. That one's really pretty. Then let's do Birthday Party. That's one that's really light. Right. Then let's do The Wire. Okay, that's extremely non-existent. This one is going to be Cabo Kisses. That one's really pretty, and I'm running out of room. I'm going to try to fit as many as I can on here. This one is called The Ring. Love that, a coppery color. I Do. Ooh, look at that. I think that's my favorite color. Prince of Bel-Air. That one's pretty as well. And this one looks like an all-over shade, and it's called Stepmom. Yeah, see, there's no pigment, so that is how you're gonna get the eyelid ready or put it right under the brow bone. So I have high hopes for this palette. I think it's really, really pretty. So then, say it again, it's Give 'Em Lala Beauty. Put this away. And the price on that one, I can find my card. That one is $42. All right, so the next thing, oh, I wish I would have known about this a minute ago with wiping the makeup swatches off, but this is going to be, I believe how you say it is AM Beauty Care Caviar Extract and Dead Sea Minerals Makeup Wipes. So I'm not going to take it and open it. It looks like makeup wipes. I don't like using makeup wipes. I will take the bullet and try a couple and see if I like them, and I'll get back to you on that if these are good makeup wipes. If you're a person that likes to use them, I'm not. I will probably use it for makeup swatches for my videos, but to let you know how it takes off makeup, I will get back to you on that one. So that one is going to be $12. So adding everything up, I did that beforehand because I'm terrible at math. The box value is going to be $197. So that's a pretty good box for only paying 25 bucks. So I'm going to put this away and move on to the next box. So this one is going to be the BoxyCharm Premium, and the price is $35 a month. It's monthly as well. You get a value of $215, and you get 6 products with this one. So I had to call BoxyCharm customer service because I got this box. I've already been in it because the bottom of it was wet, so I knew something was going on with it. So I opened it up. One of the products was completely busted. I already contacted them through their website, and they're sending out a replacement. So within an hour of me sending them an email, they already got back to me. I posted the box and the broken product. They said no problem, so that's being sent out. So that is coming, and so I'm going to grab that first. And that is the Fenty by Rihanna, and it's What Ado Makeup Refreshing Spray. And show you what the bottle looks like, but as you can see, it's empty. There was a hole on the bottom. So a replacement is coming. I just wanted you to see the box so you know what it looks like. That one is going to be $30. And the next product is going to be Vesca Beauty, and that's the Moonlight Dream Cream Shadow. So let me get that. Never heard of this brand either. That's one thing I like about BoxyCharm. They'll introduce you to brands you've never heard of before, but then they'll put ones that you know and love in there, so you get a mixture of both. So do that. That's really pretty. I like dark browns. I love copper shades. Those are my colors I go to all the time. Deep green, I love that, like a mossy green. Those are the colors I always like to jump towards. Champagne all over the lid. That's my color scheme I like. So this one I will definitely get a lot of use out of. That one is going to be $28. The next one is going to be O'Shea Malibu Sea Minerals Mist. All right, so here it is, O'Shea Sea Mineral Mist. So got between the two, got 2 mists in this box. So this one is a nice green color. I've heard a lot of people like this brand, so I'm interested in using this and seeing what I like about it, see if it's something I can incorporate in my skincare routine. So it's going to be a supercharged toning mist that will hydrate, soothe. It's got aloe vera, mineral peptides. So that sounds really good. So this one is going to be $38. Really excited about that one. Next one, and this is going to be a pricier one. I've heard about this one. It's the Grown Alchemist, and it's the Age Repair Gel Mask. So it's going to be a mask. I love a good face mask. So, there we go. This is just, can't smell a scent to that. And this one is going to be $79. So the next product is going to be the Earth Harbor Natural Sunshine Dew Antioxidant Cleansing Oil. So it's going to be a face wash. What I'm guessing what this would be good for is your first cleanse of the day, so your morning face wash. And here it is. It's a pretty yellow color. I've seen this brand in a lot of boxes all of a sudden, so I'm wondering if this is a new brand just starting up, because that's the only thing I've seen them is in these boxes, these type of boxes. So interested doing research to find out about this company. And then the last one, the sixth item, is going to be the LaRousse Beauty Face Disc. And I'm not sure, the last product that I just mentioned, the cleansing oil, I don't think I mentioned the price. It's $24. So the face disc, you get 3 of them. An all black one, a gray one, and then a white and black one. So interested in trying that. That one is $24. That away. And so the box value is going to be $223. And far as my favorite box, kind of hard. I would say the premium wins. That's slightly, I love a lot of good skincare, and I think that it just nudged slightly, but they're both really good boxes. I'm not disappointed at either of them. But if I had to choose which one I would want, it'd be the premium. So those are my BoxyCharm unboxings for this month. I hope that you enjoyed it a lot. I look forward to seeing your comments down below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And since I'm ending the video, I'm going to grab Sugar Bear. Sugar Bear, come here. We're going to say goodnight to you. Alright, we look forward to seeing you in the next video. And the next video is going to be a sneak peek. It's going to be the Ipsy Glam Bag X. So that is going to be the next video that you're going to see. Good night, guys. Have a great night. Bye.